What's up? Welcome to Shark Jets. I'm Skidvis. On this channel, I'm going to embark on the journey of game development. Journey to game development. I'm a Unity certified programmer. I got certified last May, I believe. And I am a web developer by trade, and I've been dreaming of making video games for as long as I can remember, way back in the NES days. That's how old I am. Anyways, I am going to document anything I discover that is noteworthy, any kind of bleeding edge stuff that I can't find anywhere else and I figure out or I think needs to be expanded upon. I will post that on this channel. I will be working in Unity. If I didn't already say that, I will be currently trying out some VR technologies. I have an Oculus Quest here that I'd like to make something for. And I'll be dealing in C#, and I'll be making a lot of mistakes, and it's going to be a fun time. So make sure to subscribe and tag along with me on this little journey that I'm about to take. Take it together. We can be friends. All right, subscribe, follow. See ya.